Ali nigo yabereke gwesoke bene nabo igo kogikiria eserekari maiga yokubwatirana n'ensi ya USA asokweneke bnangoleta bali abaroire ba EBOLA ase ensi ya Kenya bakoragwa n'omurai w'ikiama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua nabo igo w'ikiama gia Wiper Patriotic Front nigo babeire bakweneke bnensi ya Kenya NTOBWATI chinguru chokorwania oboraire bwa EBOLA asebeneke nigo barachi gutwara chingwana negati y'ababwatani irekweneke buna ngomanya bale obwene.
And we are saying we have no problem assisting other countries, but we cannot assist them in what themselves they are evading. Ama siko namna hiyo? Si wa Amerika wanasema wanaogopa hiyo ugonjwa. Sasa kama hao wanaogopa. And we are also asking, a question has been asked to me this morning. If America are not sure they can handle that outbreak, what about Kenya where we are unable to handle malaria? What about Kenya where we have no equipment to deal with kidney failure? What about Kenya where SHA is not working? What about Kenya where there are no drugs? If America, the way it is established, they have the best working health system in the world, to an extent that medical equipment in America, even hospital beds and other equipment like MRI scanners, they only keep them 2 years. They discard them, they get new equipment. If they are that advanced and they lack confidence that they can handle that Ebola, what about our country here? Na sida shida tuko nazo. Hata hapa Kenyatta National Hospital gloves hakuna. Hata GV inakosekana. Hata chakula ya wagonjwa hakuna. Sasa Ebola mtawezana naye?
Position we want to take as United Alternative Government is that on Tuesday, we're actually meeting the Charge, the American Charge, to have a thorough and honest conversation, because I associate myself with the sentiments that have been elaborated by my colleagues here. What is always permanent is national interest, and America has been acting in their best national interest. So Kenyan best national interest must be well articulated so that we not have our people coming to grief because of recklessness.